All right, what's up YouTube? Mac, Two Brothers here. Coming at you with this week's episode, starting out. Let's dive right into it. It's been a crazy week. Sorry, my head's all over the place, but it's been wild. OBS F450, these things, obviously super badass, awesome trucks. It's hard to find these things in good condition. This is one of our good customers, Brian. He owns a car lot. He's all the time buying and selling trucks, things of that nature. So a little bit of work to it for him. Did a 4-inch lift on it from rough country, 24x14 TIS wheels. We went with the 544 MB, which is the machine finished. 35 1350 amp tires. Did a dual steering stabilizer. We still got to put a few finishing touches on this bad boy, but she's getting close to complete. Got some good new inventory in. Take a second to show you guys a couple wheels. So we just pulled these out of the box, mounted them up, just to show you kind of an example of stuff that we keep laying around here. Try to keep stuff, on the shelf, ready to go. That way, if you need wheels and tires tomorrow, come see us, we'll fix you up. This is a super good looking wheel, the Phoenix from KG1. This is a 22x14. See how wide it is. It's wrapped in an amp tire. These are 8-on-170. You can probably get a close up on that milling there. Black and milled on this wheel. Salt and polish. This is the first time I've salt and black and milled. They slap, they look good. Super meaty setup though. You can see how wide these things are. Barely any stretch, which is good on a 14 wide. Just the right amount really. But that's a cool wheel there. Just got those in. And this one here, something don't see as many of anymore, but we still do a few of them here and there. I think the Fuel Forged is one of my personal favorite forged wheel companies. Polish is really good on them. This is the FF19, which is just a nice, clean, straight wheel, no spin or anything like that. This is probably my personal favorite one they do. This is a 24x14, so again, wide day. Got all the 14 wides. These are 6 lugs, 6 on 5.5, on the floor, ready to go. Wrap these in a street tire. Pretty good stretch on that bad boy. Looks good. 305s. So got a lot of forged wheels in stock, a lot of cast wheels in stock. Try to have a little bit of something for everybody. F450, getting some 20-inch dually wheels from TIS. 544 BM dually, wrapped in ridge grapplers. Currently, tires are flat because we're reprogramming the tire pressure sensors. Told you it's 14 wide day. 22x14, Cali. I can't remember the exact name of this wheel, but black and milled, 8-on-180. These are 35-1550 Venoms. That's a fat boy right there. That thing's huge. Super wide footprint. Getting these ready to go. Customer coming down tomorrow for them. Bolt them on, get him fixed up. This Jeep has been a big project this week. Cut that down for just a minute. Customer just purchased this Jeep, brought it in. It's a little bit rusty underneath. He bought it kind of, I think, sight unseen, but we were doing a lift, wheels and tires to it initially. Got it in here, started checking it out. It needed a good bit more stuff, so we ended up doing quite a bit of stuff on this thing. I didn't head this ticket up, so I don't even know everything, but we undercoated a lot of the underneath of it, cleaned it up, spray painted, fuel wheels, Nitto tires, 4-inch rough country lift, adjustable, all 8 adjustable control arms, adjustable track bars. Good riding, good driving setup. Ethan's getting it lined up now, getting it ready to go. See, I think they got the Hellcat going. They moved the Hellcat, so that's good. Finally got parts for the Hellcat. It's been here a couple weeks. We pinned the crank, got the new crank pulley on it, got that thing running again. Got an Audi R8 in for a color change on the wheels. Just going gloss black with that guy. More wheels and tires, TIS 544 MBs wrapped in Venoms. It's been wheels and tires, wheels and tires. What's going on, Jared? How are you, man? Good. What up, Matt?
What's going on?
Oh, you know. So as you can see, Hellcat's running again. Jeep Wrangler here, getting a transmission. Been waiting on parts for that. It's been the name of the game lately is parts, supply and demand. Getting that thing fixed up. F450 coming in, non-running. The boys have been getting after it this week. Little Geo Metro over in the corner, her sidekick. I think it's getting a motor. As you can see, we've already got the Bronco back in here. We're pulling off the rear strut spacers, lowering that guy down a little bit. One I really want to show you is outside. Got a couple good looking dualies out here. 350s in for some basic maintenance, fixing a cooling leak, addressing a transmission shifting issue, taking care of some of that stuff. Over here, getting this one wrapped up, kind of putting our finishing touches on it. We'll get into this a little bit later. Good buddy of mine, good customer of ours, Nathan, just picked up this F450. Let's save this for just a minute, but we'll jump into this as we get it wrapped up. I actually forgot about these. These just showed up a couple days ago. Show you a little unboxing here. These are actually my wheels for my 450. Getting ready to change it up, redo the setup on it. American Force, appreciate you guys always taking good care of us. Even open these things. Should be pretty cool. So I went with the American Force Plague. I did the concave super dually up front, which means it's a traditional wheel rather than, you know, standard dually wheel. This is a 26x14 concave super dually. So these are actually going to be direct bolt, center cap, and then your simulated 10 lug. This is the part I'm most excited about. Supposed to say Two Brothers on them somewhere. American Force. Bum, bum, bum. Hey, looky there. Two Bros special. 26 inch, like I said. Going to do a new size that Fury just released. 38 1550 up front, 38 1350 in the back. Just waiting on the guys over at Striker to get our lift finished up and be getting that thing in here to get it switched up. Want to take a look at the paint match real quick on it? So it's a little dirty, don't pay no attention to it. Just got it back from paint match. Turned out really good. Thanks to the guys over at Southern Powder Coating. They're always taking good care of us, do all our powder coat work as well. Paint matched, a lot of this plastic here on the front, the back grille, the emblems. I think the emblems are probably one of my favorite parts. They turned out super good. Did the mirrors. They're folded in right now, but good job on those. Side badges, and then around back. Left, obviously we wanted to leave some chrome on the truck just because doing polished wheels, the lift kit is gonna match real well. Paint match this piece here also, but turned out awesome. They did, like I said, killer job. Can't thank those guys enough. Always taking care of us. Hopefully we'll have this other 450 ready in just a few minutes, so we'll show you guys some more of that. Yeah, so this is some bull crap right here. This is, we're out of space, like you guys know that. This is my super executive, nice little office. I got a hole big enough that I can sit down, work, get out. That's basically it. They crammed Bill back here in the corner with me. We've been fist fighting every day, disagreeing on stuff, but no, I'm just kidding. He's the man. Can't be ready enough to get over to the new shop. Hopefully we'll have an update on that for you guys in next maybe next episode, at least the next couple of episodes. Stuff's finally moving down there. We want to show you guys some updates on the new shop ASAP. We're working. It's coming along. It's just been a lot of delays, a lot of setbacks and stuff like that. So thought I'd show you guys my new cool office there. So 2022 F450, just getting wrapped up. We've still got a few finishing touches to put on it, but complete enough. Did the 3.5-inch ready lift with Fox shocks, striker, dual steering stabilizer, Fox shocks there. Wheels, this is the 26-inch American Force Plague from the Dually with Adapter series. 37-inch Venom power tires, Terra Hunter XT. This truck turned out super sick. Again, thanks to our good buddy Nathan. Dude, I can't tell you how many trucks we built for him. We really appreciate you, all your support. I think we're going to do a different setup down the road on this thing, maybe do a PMF lift or something along those lines. But honestly, for a quick setup, something to get him rolling, this thing, I mean, he hit me up 2 weeks ago, if that. He's like, hey, I bought an F450. He can't leave anything stock. He's like us. He said, I gotta have something quick. So shout out to American Force. They got us these wheels super quick on a time crunch. We still gotta put the caps on, and like I said, we still got a few finishing touches to wrap up, but this thing turned out absolutely sick. Good driving setup, looks good. Yeah, that pretty well, I think, wraps everything up for today. Appreciate you guys tuning in as always. Thanks for watching, thanks for sharing, thanks for being here. Give us a call, 423-790-7447. Like, share, all that good stuff. Appreciate you guys. See ya.